Now, welcome to all of you and welcome to our online classes. Okay, in the first period, we are discussing about the life processes. Okay, and we are taking introduction about life process, which are things are studied in this chapter. And the first point is what are life processes? Okay, what are the life processes? That is the most important thing. Okay, the maintenance functions of a living organism must go on even when they are not doing anything particular, even when we are just sitting in class. Okay, even if we are just asleep, this maintenance job has to go on. Okay, the process which together perform this maintenance job are a life processes. Okay, since these are maintenance processes are needed to prevent a damage and breakdown. Energy is needed for them. This energy comes from outside the body of the individual organism. So there must be a process to transfer a source of energy from outside the body of the organism, which we call food. Okay, to inside a process we commonly call nutrition. Okay, this is the nutrition process. Okay, this is the process of intaking of the nutrition. Okay, means when we want to maintain our body, when we want to maintain the processes, internal processes in body, we need a energy. Okay, and that energy comes from the food. Okay, when we want to maintain our body or relax our body, okay, in a sitting positions, those are metabolic activity that are done. Okay, and that activity must want energy, and the energy comes from food. Food is the commonly it is the nutrition. Okay, in the body size of organism is to grow, additional raw material will also be needed from outside, since life on earth depend on carbon based molecules. Most of these food sources are also carbon based. Depended on the approximately of these carbon sources, different organisms can them use a different kind of nutritional processes. Okay, means our body also made of the one most element, that is the carbon and hydrogen. Means every body is made up of the carbon and hydrogens. Lot of maximums things on the earth that are made from the carbon. Okay, that's why we want to it is the carbon is the basic molecule. Okay, that's why we need, our body needs carbon. Okay, the carbon based elements, the carbon based sources, the carbon based nutritions, the carbon based nourishment and nutritional processes. Okay, the outside source of energy would be a quite varied, since the environment is a not under the control of the individual organisms. Okay, yes, the environment is not a in our control. It is environment is no one can control. Okay, that's why these a sources of energy, therefore a need to be a broken down or a build up in the body and must be a finally converted into a uniform sources of energy that can be a use for the various molecular movement, okay, needed for maintaining a living structure as well as to the kind of molecules the body need to grow for these series of chemical reaction in the body are necessary. Oxidation and reduction reaction are some of the most common chemical means to break down a molecules. For these, many organisms use oxygen source from outside the body. The process of acquiring oxygen from outside common chemical means, okay, here we must want to oxidation and reduction reactions, okay, that are most commonly in our body, okay. Oxidations are maximum, we know the chemical reaction oxidations. What is the oxidation, what is the reaction, okay. Tell me in comments first, everyone must want to comment, okay. Oxidation reaction with a chemical reaction, okay, and reduction reaction, okay, that both are reactions, okay. What happen in our body when oxidation and reduction done in our body, the process of acquiring oxygen from outside the body, okay, means whether we want to acquiring the oxygen in body, which is the process, okay. Tell me, to use the process of breakdown of food sources for a cellular need is what we call respiration, okay. That all things are most important, okay. Here in the case of single cell organism, no specific organs for taking in food, okay. This is upper all information is total about the multicellular organisms, okay. They are having the particular organ, they are having the particular structure for this molecular movements, the molecular processes, they are having the specificity. But what happen in a single cell organisms, no specific organs in single cell organism for talking in taking in food, okay. Exchange of the gases, a remove of wastage, a need, okay, a needed because the in and inter surface, entire surface of the organism is in a contact with the environment. Oh, total surface, sorry, okay. The overall surface of the organisms that are all directly contact with the environment, okay. That's why there is a no any specificity, there is a no any specific organs to done the such type of a reaction, to done the molecular reaction, to done the molecular processes. But what happened when the body size of the organism increasing and the body design became more complex, okay. Single cell organism, it is easy to take because it is directly contact in environment, that's why it is easy to take and release. But when the very complex structure body means in multicellular organisms, all the cells may not be in a direct contact with the surrounding environment, thus a simple diffusion, okay, will not meet the requirement all the cell. Diffusion means what? Tell me in comment whether you don't know about the diffusion, I will simplify it, okay, in a next period. Tell me in all this comment, okay. We have seen a previously, okay, how in a multicellular organisms various a body part have a specialized in the function they perform, okay. We are familiar with the idea of this specialized tissue and with their organisms in the body of the organism. It is therefore no surfacing that the uptake of the food and oxygen will also be the function of a specialized tissue. However, this poses of problem since the food and oxygens are now taken up at one place in our the body of the organisms while all part of the body need them. The situation create a need for a transportation system for carrying food and oxygen from one place to another place. Means here is the specialized specific tissues. Here is the specialization for a work. Here is the specialization for the tissue. Those are working specific. Okay, means engineer. There is having specialty in engineering. That's why they are also working in engineer. Okay, teachers. There is specialty in teaching. Okay, doctors. They also doing a specialty in doctorate. Means everyone having their specialty. Okay, when we are go toward the teachers and check me, I have fever, cold. Teacher are able to check you? No. When you are go toward the doctor, sir, teach me mathematical calculation. He is able to teach you? No. Means the specialization is the most important. Like that, the tissue are a specialization for work. Tissue are maintaining their processes. Tissue are maintaining for molecular activity. Okay. When chemical reaction are used to carbon source and oxygen for energy. Okay, energy generation, they create by a products that are not only useless for the cell of the body but would even be harmful. These waste by product are therefore needed to remove from the body and discard outside by a process called excretion. Excretion means what? Means those are harmful waste material we are excrete outside the body, that are one type of the function. Again, if the basic rules for body designed in a multicellular organism are followed, a specialized tissue for excretions will be developed, which means that the transportation system will need to transport waste, okay, away from cell to this excretory system. Let us consider these various processes so essential to maintain life. One by one, nutrition. It is the next chapter. Before that, I also make a video on tissues and their work. You can check out that video in a link, okay, in our YouTube channel. Total tissue and their work and functions also mentioned, and the separation muscular tissue, transportation tissue, simply meristematic tissue, xylem, phloem, okay, CV tube, that all are mentioned here, and their separate links are available in our on our YouTube channel. Can you check out firstly and study about the tissue.